Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another video. I wanted to share my crafty dare this week. We're an Instagram group um, that we challenge each other 3 dares each week, and by Friday, each of us are supposed to post something, whatever project we want. But it just had to have those 3 dares. And each week, each of us make something and present it on Instagram. Well, I'm also doing it on YouTube. Sometimes, when you post a picture, you don't really get the whole gist of it. But anyway, so let me show you what I used. I used this really old punch from Creative Memories. I've had this in my stash for like 20 years. I'm serious. Um, and it still punches very good. I love it. This is a 1 inch and a half inch. No, 3/4 inch and a 1 inch. I use this stamp set from Waffle Flower. I think it's called Cozy Holiday Sentiments. I just love this. It's like a Ray Dunn font. So I use that. I use this stamp from Stampin' Up. I used this 2 inks on my project. I used Close to Cocoa with this stamp. And this is an old, old ink pad. It's still good. I'm always surprised when I bring out my Stampin' Up! Ink pads, and this is what I created. Oh, and I used Jamie's digital pumpkin. I think it's just she's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I think I saw Jill Norwood with this digital, and I ran out and had to get it. Um, I also got the brownie that you could add any face to it, so I'm kind of excited to get to work on that one. Okay, so I use a lot of scraps from my stash, and I punched out all the what do you call it? Squares. Glued them, inked them all up with the ground espresso. I glued them down. I added some faux stitching to the squares, also on the pumpkin, and then I did some on the sign or the sentiment. I even added some espresso to the edges of her. She's so cute. Stamped out the sentiment, and I inked up the edges. I didn't want to make it too dark because the squares were already dark as it is. I even inked up the base, which is a craft cardstock. Added a button and a twine, and I called it a day. So I really love how that turned out. And then inside, I just added some excess squares that I added some faux stitching and more stamping. And I'll put my sentiment here. So that is my crafty dare for this week. And I hope you guys like it. I'll be back tomorrow, hopefully with a Saturday morning makes. So if you come back, if you want to leave a comment, that'd be great. Like the video, that'd be awesome. So thanks everybody for stopping by. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.